In the new version of the RepTool, you have the option to see the recycling and recovery rates for interim fractions. For this, you have to use the graph view of the report and just move the mouse over a fraction symbol, the cake symbol. You will see the individual classifications regarding recycling, other material recovery, energy recovery, and disposal options, and the totals of the recycling rate and recovery rate. The preparing for reuse and recycling rate is given as one target in the WE Directive 2012. At the left side, you will see the model classification. At the right side, the national classification. If you see there differences, you may have a look at the classification of the following fractions. If you see there the 3 question sign, any classification of use was not given properly. You may see the results of simple fractions or even more complex fractions like the CRT tubes. At present, you may see these recycling and recovery rates for interim fractions only in this graph view. There is no option to export. The RepTool IT developer may work on this if requests are given.